My name is Kayla, and I'm collaborating with the LUVI Yoga. This morning we will be doing a short practice so that we can get ready for our day. Let's get started. Start to come to lie on your back, bending at the knees to bring the feet hips-width distance apart. Inhale to stretch the arms high above your head, and exhale to release the legs long. Breathing in to stretch the body, and breathing out to hug the right knee in towards the chest. Inhale to reach the arms, reach the legs, and exhaling to hug the left knee in towards the chest. Breathing in to stretch open, and breathing out to bring your right knee in towards your chest. Inhaling the arms and the legs long, and exhaling the knee close towards the chest. Inhale, reach. Exhale, hug the right knee in. Inhaling to stretch, and exhaling to hug the left knee back in towards the chest. Inhale, open up the body, and exhale, start to hug both knees in towards the chest. Bring your arms to a T-like position, pulling in opposite directions, and as you exhale, release both knees to the left side. Stacking the hips over one another, and twisting so much that the heart opens up to the ceiling. Gaze is fixated towards the ceiling, and just relax here. Inhale to bring both knees in towards the center, and exhaling to twist over to the right side. On your next inhale, start to bring knees back to center, giving yourself a little hug, bringing hands behind thighs, and start to rock up 3 times to a tabletop position. Placing palms underneath your shoulders, knees under hips. On your next inhale, bring your heart forward, gaze shifts up for cow, and exhale to curl under for cat. Inhale, pulling the heart forward. Exhale, rounding the upper back, gaze shifts towards belly. Inhale, heart forward, cow. Exhale, rounding for cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale, coming to a neutral spine. Exhale, step your left leg back, tucking the toes for a straight leg stretch. Maintaining the length of your body, and exhale, release the leg back to tabletop. Inhale, stretch the right leg behind you, stretching out the calf. Coming back to a neutral spine for tabletop. Inhale, the left leg lifts high, followed by the right arm, stretching in opposite directions for a little core balance. Exhale, release. Inhale, stretch the right leg long, followed by the left arm, reaching in opposite directions. Exhale, release. Bringing big toes to touch, sit back for child's pose. Pressing the palms into the ground to lift the elbows up. Spreading the fingers wide, allowing the belly to rest on the thighs, and resting the hips on the heels. Tucking the toes, start to come back to downward facing dog. Start to come to stand on tippy toes and begin bending one knee at a time as you breathe in and out. Spreading the fingers wide to press into the palms, to lift through the arms. Firming the upper arms in towards the ears as you lengthen through the spine. On your next inhale, reach the right leg high, and as you exhale, bend at the knee and open up to the side of the room for a little hip stretch. Inhale, right leg high as you square the hips, and exhale to pull it through for low lunge, dropping the left knee to the ground and untucking the toes, interlacing the fingers to press your torso off the thigh. Inhale, reach the arms up high, maybe your gaze follows, and exhale to release the hands back to the mat. Inhale, step forward, halfway lift, exhale, fold. Start to heel toe your feet hips width distance apart, bending your knees as much as you can so that your torso can rest on your thighs. Grabbing opposite elbows, allowing the weight of the head to release down towards the ground. Maintaining a long spine and just releasing here. Inhale, come halfway up, bringing hands to hips and come all the way up to stand. Inhale, sweep the arms up high. Exhale, hinge over the hips for Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step back to plank into downward facing dog. Inhale, reach the left leg high. Exhale, bend at the knee and open up. Squaring the shoulders to the mat. Heel of the lifted leg comes towards the bum. Inhale, square the hips back to the mat, straighten the leg. Exhale, come forward for low lunge. Untucking the toes, interlacing the fingers on top of the front thigh to press your torso up. Inhaling to reach the arms up and exhaling to stay here. Breathing in and breathing out to release the hands back to the mat. Stepping forward as you inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, folds. Inhale, sweep your arms up high. Exhale, arms to side, Tadasana. Inhale, sweeping the arms up. Exhale, grab hold of your left wrist with your pointer and your thumb of the right hand and stretch towards the right side of the room. Inhale, come back up to center. Exhale, grab hold of the right wrist and stretch the side body towards the left side of the room. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, fold forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step back to plank. Breathing in to firm your foundation. Hands under shoulders, heels pointing up towards the ceiling, maintaining a flat back. Start to exhale to come all the way down to the mat. Untucking the toes, pressing into the tops of the feet to lift the knees off the ground. Bringing palms to sides, inhale, Cobra. Exhale, release. Start to tent your fingers so you're on your fingertips. Inhale, Cobra. Exhale, release. This time, hover your palms off the mat. Inhale, Cobra. Exhale, release. Inhale, start to interlace your hands at the tailbone and come up for Cobra. Exhale, release. Bring your hands back to your sides. Inhale, press up to plank. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, reach the right leg high. Exhale, pull it through, pivoting the back heel down and opening up for warrior two. Maintaining a heel to arch alignment. Arms reaching in opposite directions. Exhale, windmill the arms down and step back to plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, come back, downward facing dog. Inhale, reach the left leg high. Exhale, pull it through, pivoting the back heel down and windmilling your arms up for warrior two on the other side. Reaching the arms in opposite directions, lengthening through all four sides of the torso. Exhale, windmill the arms down and step back to plank. Chaturanga, inhale, upward facing. Exhale, down dog. Bring big toes to touch. Bring the knees down to the ground. Sit back, child's pose. Maybe you would like to give your third eye a little massage by rocking your forehead back and forth on side to side. Inhaling to come up to a seated position, setting up for bridge pose. Bring knees in close. Start to slowly roll back one vertebra at a time. Bring the heels as close to your bum as you can, pressing the palms into the mat. And on your next inhale, start to press down through the feet as you lift the hips off the ground. Rolling the upper arms underneath to open up the heart. Breathing in and out through the nose. Exhale, release the hips back down to the mat. Bring the soles of the feet to touch. Open up for Supta Pada Konasana. Your legs are in a diamond-like position, resting your right hand on your belly and your left hand on your heart. Feeling the rise and the fall of your belly, noticing the beat of your own heart. Start to hug both knees in towards your chest. And as you exhale, release the left leg long. Inhale, hug the right knee in close. Exhale, start to twist the right knee over to the left. Stretching the right arm long towards the right side of the room as you rest your left palm on your knee. Inhale, coming back to center, hugging both knees in towards your chest. Exhale, release the right leg. Inhale, hug the left knee in close. And exhale to twist right. Stretching the left arm long, resting the right palm on the left knee. Inhaling to come back to center, giving yourself a big giant hug. Bring your forehead to your knees. Exhale, release, Savasana. Let your feet flop open, releasing the belly, relaxing the jaw, relaxing the tongue. Allowing the eyeballs to rest in their sockets, unfurling the eyebrows, allowing your body to melt into the ground. Start to bring attention back to your breath. Invite little movements into your fingers and your toes. Inhaling to stretch your body long and exhaling to hug both knees back in towards the chest. Exhale, roll to the right side, resting your head on your right arm. Start to press up to a seated position. Inhaling to sweep the arms up high and exhaling to bring the palms to prayer at heart center. Take a moment to thank yourself for taking time out of your day for your practice. It has been an honor to share this morning with you. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Namaste.